In this section, section 7.2, we're going to discuss what similar polygons are and how we can use the fact that polygons are similar to find missing measures. So the first thing is, what are similar polygons? So similar polygons are polygons with the same shape but different sizes. In order for two polygons to be similar, they need to have corresponding angles that are congruent and corresponding sides that are proportional. The ratio of corresponding sides is called the scale factor. In addition to having a scale factor, if polygons are similar, then their perimeters are also proportional. So what is this scale factor? So a scale factor is the ratio of corresponding side measurements of two similar figures. A scale factor must be the same when comparing each set of corresponding sides of two or more polygons in order for them to be similar. Also, when determining scale factor, order matters. So question 1 says, what is the scale factor of ABC to DEF? In this case, AB and B and DE are corresponding sides. So let's look at AB. Let's look at DE. So that's 8 to 12, which also equals, and you should reduce your scale factor whenever possible, it equals 2/3. In the second question, the question says, what is the scale factor of triangle DEF to ABC? Notice how the order changed. We're looking at the second triangle first, comparing it to the first triangle. So in this case, DEF, DE is 12, and AB is 8. So instead of being 2/3, the ratio is now 3/2. Be sure to compare the triangles in order that they're asked in the question. Otherwise, you may get the reciprocal. Finally, the question asks, what is the ratio of the perimeter of DEF to ABC? In the case of finding the ratio of the perimeters, you don't actually even need to find the perimeters. You just know it's going to be exactly the same as a scale factor. So you know it's going to be 3 to 2. If you wanted to test it out, you can, and you'll see that the perimeter of DEF is 54, and the perimeter of ABC is 36. And if you reduce that, you can reduce both of them by 9. Actually, you can reduce both of them by 18, and you'll get 3/2, which is exactly what we found.